To grow mint indoors, begin with selecting a suitable pot. Ensure the pot has adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Use a light, well-draining potting mix to provide aeration and nutrients. This type of mix supports healthy root development. Position the pot in a location with bright, indirect sunlight. Shield the plant from direct afternoon sun to avoid leaf scorching. Maintain slightly moist soil for mint, avoiding both overly wet and dry conditions. Check soil moisture by inserting a finger 1 inch deep. Water thoroughly if dry, ensuring drainage. Fertilize every 3 to 4 weeks with diluted, balanced liquid fertilizer to prevent root damage. Regularly prune top leaves above leaf pairs to encourage branching and fuller growth. Mint plants are susceptible to root rot if overwatered. Ensure proper drainage to prevent waterlogged soil. Insufficient light leads to weak and leggy growth in mint. Place mint plants in locations with ample sunlight. Cold drafts and temperature fluctuations can stress mint plants. Maintain a stable environment to promote healthy development.